Good morning. I just finished Carolyn's Energy Shack Weight Loss Challenge for the past 6 weeks, and I can't even tell you about all the amazing benefits that I have personally got from it. First of all, I've lost 10 pounds and my energy has been up. I have better sleep. I know for sure, I feel it all over my body that the inflammation has gone down. I don't have any bloating anymore, especially after eating. And that's primarily because I'm eating differently now. So not just what I'm eating in terms of a lot more raw, a lot more plant-based foods, but when I'm eating also. So that has made a huge impact. I love that Carolyn has introduced fasting into the challenge. It really taught me how to fast properly and not to come out of a fast binging all the time, which completely reverses the benefits of a fast. And it was a really healthy way to be able to reset my digestive system and so I mean, my digestive system, I feel, my digestion in overall has improved, and all the habit transformations that and tools and tips and tricks and knowledge that Carolyn and her nutritionists have given me have been phenomenal. So I encourage anyone and everyone to try it, even if you don't want to lose weight. Or don't feel you need to. It's an amazing journey, and it's been an amazing one, especially sharing it with other people who were really supportive and encouraging and inspiring to me. So that's it. I know I will definitely be joining another weight loss challenge maybe next year or even in a few months if it's offered. I really enjoyed it. So that's my experience. Thank you so much.